Hello everyone. Welcome back to Technology and Livelihood Education class, Industrial Arts. In this video, we are going to talk about the Module 8, Repairing Simple Gadgets, Furniture, or Furnishings at Home and School. This is based on the Unified Supplementary Learning Materials, or also known as USLeM. The expectations: at the end of the module, you should be able to 1. Gathers data on how to do simple repairs. 2. Repairs broken and damaged gadgets and furniture such as chairs, cabinets, tables, extension cords, and worn-out wires. 3. Assesses repaired gadgets, furniture, furnishing as to its reusability and functionality using rubrics. And number 4. Applies health and safety precautions in doing repairs. For your pretest, direction. Match the pictures with the basic repairs that can be done on simple gadgets and furniture. Write the letter of the correct answer on the space provided. So now, please bring out your TLE 6 notebook and write your answers there. 1. Removing water stains from wood furniture. 2. Loosening sticky drawers of cabinets. 3. Repairing outer jacket of an extension cord. 4. Repairing worn-out wires. 5. Repairing wooden leg of a chair. Are you done? Let us move forward. So for letter B, directions, study the given statement, draw a hammer if you agree, and draw a nail if you disagree. 1. Dwayne wears protective gadget and proper clothing in doing repairs. 2. Albert fails to turn off the power and to unplug the gadget before repairing. 3. Sticking cabinets or drawers can be loosened using light cleaning and lubrication. 4. Knowing how to make simple repairs will provide an opportunity of having additional income. Number 5. Assessing the repaired gadget or furniture based on the criteria set will help you do better in doing future repairs. Are you done? Let us now check your work. So for pretest keto correction, letter A. So removing water stains from wood furniture, it's letter B from the picture. 2. Loosening sticky drawers of cabinets, it's letter E. 3. Repairing outer jacket of an extension cord, letter F. And 4. Repairing worn out wires, letter D. And last, repairing wooden leg of a chair, it's letter A. Then for the next part, Dwayne wears protective gadget and proper clothing in doing repairs. It's a hammer. 2. Albert fails to turn off power and to unplug the gadget before repairing. Nail. 3. Sticking cabinets or drawers can be loosened using light cleaning and lubrication. Hammer. 4. Knowing how to make simple repairs will provide an opportunity of having additional income. Hammer. 5. Assessing the repaired gadget or furniture based on the criteria set will help you do better in doing future repairs. Hammer. So let's have a short review on your previous lesson. So direction: match the tools in column A with their descriptions in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer on the space provided before the number. Again, you must write the correct letter or your answer on your notebooks. So 1. It is used to protect electrical wiring for insulation. 2. It is used for shaping and smoothing wood and metals. 3. It is used to make round holes in wood, metal, and concrete material. 4. It is used to pull and drive nails or metal. 5. It is an all-purpose cutting tool for wood or metals. 6. It is an instrument used to test if there is a flow of electricity in the connection made. 7. These tools are used to twist, cut, hold, and pick electrical wires and metals. 8. It is used to hold or turn pipes for assembly. 9. These tools are used in tightening and loosening screws. 10. It is used to remove insulation of a wire from gauge. Are you done? Let us now check your work. So, number 1, it is used to protect electrical wiring for insulation. Letter C, electrical tape. 2. It is used for shaping and smoothing wood and metals. It's letter D, files. 3. It is used to make round holes in wood, metal, and concrete material. It's letter B, drill. So 4. It is used to pull and drive nails or metal. Letter E, hammer. 5. It is an all-purpose cutting tool for wood or metals. It's letter F. It's saw. So number 6, it is an instrument used to test if there is a flow of electricity in the connection made. H, tester. 7. These tools are used to twist, cut, hold, and pick electrical wires and metals. The answer is letter A. Letter A is combination pliers. So 8. It is used to hold or turn pipes for assembly. Letter K, wrench. 9. These tools are used in tightening and loosening screws. G, screwdriver. And 10. It is used to remove insulation of a wire from gauge. It's letter J, wire stripper. This lesson will give an in-depth understanding of the knowledge and skills in repairing simple gadgets, furniture, furnishings at home and school. This will highlight the step-by-step process of repairing simple gadgets and furniture. In addition, it will also provide some safety and precautionary measures to prevent accidents while doing repairs. Repaired gadgets, furniture, furnishing must undergo assessment as to its reusability and functionality using rubrics. Knowing how to make simple repairs will not only save you from paying a repairer, it will also provide an opportunity of having an additional income. In other words, pwede nyo ring pagkakitaan yung pagre-repair. So talking about repairing furniture and furnishings. How to loosen sticking drawers or cabinets. Here are the steps. 1. Loosen with light cleaning and lubrication. 2. Use ordinary soap on the sides, slides, and bottom side rails for wood. 3. For the kitchen and bathroom, use a soap solution. 4. Rubbing a candle on the railing can also loosen the drawer or cabinet. 5. For metals, applying rust remover usually works. Repairing simple gadgets. For example, a worn-out wires. 1. Remove the plug of the appliance out of the electrical outlet or socket. 2. Cut out the worn-out part using a side cutter. 3. Scrape the outer covering of both ends by about half an inch with the use of a wire stripper. 4. Connect the two lines by twisting them together. And 5. Cover the twisted wires with electrical tape. So again, under the repairing simple gadgets, here is outer jacket of an extension cord, or how to repair that. 1. Unplug the extension cord from the electric socket for safety. 2. Get high-quality electrical tape. 3. Wrap the tape around the crack of the extension cord. And 4. Overlap each layer of tape. Make sure the crack is completely covered. So what do you feel after doing such repair on a gadget or furniture? Definitely, you will feel happy, fulfilling, and satisfied. However, what if after a number of days, the repair made was torn out again? What will you do or feel? This is the result of a wrong procedure. So, therefore, it is important to make sure to follow the correct process to avoid future problems. So, assessing repaired gadgets or furniture, assessing the repaired gadget or furniture based on the criteria will help you do better in doing future repairs. So, here is an activity. Direction. Check all the safety and health precaution tips that you observe every time you do repairs and use tools in the given checklist below. Here are the safety tips in doing simple repairs. So if you think it is a must or a safe and health precaution, just check it. If not, do not check it. So 1. Extension cords should not be used as your permanent electric socket. 2. Avoid working on any electronic device or equipment in wet areas. 3. Wear protective gadget and proper clothing in doing repairs. 4. Turns off the power and unplug the gadget before repairing it. 5. Uses proper tools and equipment for the specific task. 6. A competent adult supervises you while doing repairs. 7. Keeps in mind to work in a well-lighted area. 8. Uses and handle electrical tools with care. Are you done? Let us now check your work. So for this activity, all the safety tips in doing repairs are correct. So you must check it all. So here's another activity. Do this together. Direction. Arrange the correct way of repairing cracked or broken leg of a chair sequentially by putting the steps in the diagram below. So before we go on, here's the diagram. That one. So please take a screenshot because you will use that on this activity. So let us go back to the steps which you will arrange in this diagram. So we have here, check the leg of a chair to be repaired. Next is clean the cracked part of a broken leg. Apply wood glue to the damaged part. Prepare all the materials and tools needed in doing the repair. Clamp the leg so the glued parts will not get cracked until it dries completely. And refinish the chair with a fresh coat of varnish if needed. Again, please refer to this diagram in doing this activity. So for those who are done, let us now check your work. Here is the Keto Correction. And for those who need more time to do this activity, just pause this video. So here's the Keto Correction. First is check the leg of a chair to be repaired. Then second, prepare all the materials and tools needed in doing the repair. Then 3, clean the cracked part of a broken leg. 4. Apply wood glue to the damaged part. Then 5. Clamp the leg to the glued parts will not get cracked until it dries completely. And 6. Refinish the chair with a fresh coat of varnish if needed. So always remember and do not forget. It is important and essential to be knowledgeable on the basic methods on how to make simple repairs on gadgets and furniture at home or school. This knowledge will not only develop your skills and sense of responsibility, but it enhances a particular skill and talent which can be useful in the future. At your age, you can already contribute a lot to the family, which will make your parents proud. Just bear in mind that every time you do simple repairs, always observe safety practices and precautions. So before we end this module, let's have a brain check. Direction. Observe the broken damage, gadget, and furniture below. Choose one and apply the necessary repairs to be done. Write the steps you did in doing these repairs. Assess your work by accomplishing the checklist below. So we have here the two images, and you must write the title and steps on how are you going to repair it. And here's the rubric for repairing furniture or furnishings. So the standards we have here, appropriate tools and equipments are used safely and accurately. So 3 points, if very good, all the appropriate tools and equipment are used safely and appropriate and accurately. Good, 2 points, if most of the appropriate tools and equipment are used safely and accurately. And 1, if the appropriate tools and equipment are not used safely and accurately. That's for fair uh, grading. So the next standard is steps or processes are strictly followed as planned. 3 points if all the steps or processes are strictly followed as planned. 2 points if most of the steps or processes are strictly followed as planned. And 1 point if the step or processes are not strictly followed as planned. So the next standard or criteria is project is repaired using the most appropriate method and skills. 3 points if the project is repaired using the most appropriate method and skills properly. 2 points if the project is repaired using some appropriate method and skills only. 1 point if the project is repaired without using the appropriate method and skills. And the last criteria or standard is project is completed and evaluated accordingly. 3 points is if the project is completed and evaluated accordingly. 2 points if the project is moderately completed and evaluated. And 1 point if project is non-completed and evaluated accordingly. So assessment, put a check on the space below or before each statement if you think the furniture that you repaired is assessed correctly. So here's the checklist. And here's the Keto Correction, the first image. So the title is Removing or Hiding Wood Scratches. Here are the steps. Get a furniture stain marker. 2. Stroke the point of your marker onto the scratch on a wooden table. 3. Wait for a little while and do a retouch with the marker. And number 4, let it dry. So for the second image, the title is Removing Water Stain on Wood. So steps, first is rub the area with a soft rag, moistened lightly with mineral spirits. 2. If it turns dull, apply a new coat of furniture wax. 3. If applying mineral spirits does not work, gently rub with a soft rag, lightly damp, with denatured alcohol. 4. If still doesn't work, apply a fresh coat of finishings. So, for your post test, please take the post test by scanning the QR code on the screen or type in the URL below. And you may also access the post test by clicking the link below on the description box. So should you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment down below. So that's the end of our module. Goodbye and stay safe, everyone.